Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about beautiful hand embroidery designs. Hand embroidery is wonderful and creative art that has been loved for many years. It is a simple way to decorate clothes, fabrics and home items using needle and thread. Hand embroidery is very popular because it is handmade and unique. Every design is special because it is created by hand. Many people enjoy embroidery as a relaxing hobby, and it is also a great way to make beautiful creative decorative items. One of the most common embroidery designs is a floral embroidery pattern. Flower designs are very popular because they look soft, colorful and elegant. You can make small flowers or large flower patterns on dresses, shirts, pillow covers and tablecloths. Flowers like roses, daisies and sunflowers are often used in embroidery. Another beautiful idea is the leaf embroidery designs. Leaves are simple but very stylish. They are often used with flower patterns to make the design look more natural and complete. Leaf embroidery can be done with simple stitches and still look very attractive. They are also traditional embroidery designs. Many cultures have their own embroidery styles and patterns. These designs often include delicate shapes, borders, or colorful thread work. Traditional embroidery looks beautiful on dresses, shawls, and cultural clothing. The border embroidery design is also very popular. In this style, embroidery is adding along the edge of a fabric. For example, you can add embroidery on the border of a dupatta, tablecloth, pillow cover, or curtain. Border embroidery makes simple fabric look more elegant and decorative. Another interesting style is simple line embroidery. This type of embroidery uses clean and simple line to create shapes and patterns. It looks modern and stylish and is perfect for women who like minimal designs. Embroidery can be done with many different stitches. Some common stitches include the running stitch, chain stitch, satin stitch, and cross stitch. Each stitch creates a different texture and look on the fabric. The chain stitch is very popular because it creates a beautiful chain-like pattern. It is often used of outline and borders. The satin stitch is used to fill shapes like flowers or leaves, giving them a smooth and shiny look. Choosing the right thread color is also very important in embroidery. Bright colors like red, yellow, pink and green make the design look lively and cheerful. Thanks for watching.